In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer YouTube subscriptions to another account. Now, YouTube doesn't give us a one-click transfer all subscriptions button, but there is a reliable workaround that lets you move your subscriptions from one Google account to another with just a bit of setup. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. First, make sure you're signed in to the YouTube account that currently has all the subscriptions you want to move. This is your old or original account. On your computer, open YouTube, look at the top right corner, and confirm the profile icon shows the correct account. If it's not the right one, switch accounts before moving on. Next, we're going to export your subscriptions. In your browser, search for Google Takeout YouTube subscriptions, or go to Google Takeout and choose YouTube and YouTube Music from the list of products. Deselect everything else so you're only exporting YouTube data. Then, in the details for YouTube, make sure subscriptions or channel list is selected. This is what will contain the channels you're currently subscribed to. Once that's set up, scroll down and create the export. Google will prepare a downloadable file. Depending on how much data you have, this can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it isn't instant. When it's ready, download the archive file to your computer and unzip it if necessary. Inside, you'll find a file that lists your YouTube subscriptions, usually in a JSON or CSV format. Now we need to switch to your new YouTube account, the one you want to move your subscriptions to. Sign out of your old account, or simply switch accounts using the profile menu, and confirm you're on the new account's channel page. At this point, you have two main options. One is to use a trusted third-party tool or script that can read the exported file and subscribe to those channels on your new account. The other is to open the file yourself, copy each channel link, and subscribe manually. This takes longer, but it avoids giving access to your account to any external tools. If you go the manual route, it can help to keep the file open in one window and YouTube in another. Then work through the list a bit at a time. Finally, after you've finished, go to your Subscriptions tab in the new account and scroll through to confirm all your favorite channels are there. If you spot any missing, you can quickly search for them and subscribe. That's the full process for transferring your YouTube subscriptions from one account to another.